In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to take and annotate screenshots directly in Notion. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to take and annotate screenshots directly in Notion. First, open the Notion page where you want to add a screenshot. Navigate to the exact spot, maybe inside a task, meeting notes, or a documentation page. So when you add the image, it lands right where you need it. Next, capture the screenshot using your device's built-in tool. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus 4. Your cursor will turn into crosshairs, so you can click and drag to select the area you want. Release to capture, and macOS will save the image as a file, usually to your desktop. On Windows, press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. Your screen will dim, and you can drag to select the region. When you release, the screenshot is copied to your clipboard, ready to paste. Now bring that image into Notion. If you used a method that copied the screenshot to your clipboard, simply click in your Notion page and paste. If you have a file saved, type /, then the word image, choose Upload, and select your screenshot file. Notion will drop it into the page right where your cursor was. Once it's in, click the image to adjust it. Drag the handles to resize so it fits your layout, and drag the image itself to move it above or below other blocks. This makes long pages much easier to scan. If paste doesn't work right away, press Enter to create a fresh line and try again. Notion stores uploaded images with the page, so there's nothing extra to manage. For cleaner layouts, drag the image next to text blocks or headings and use the on-screen width slider. Keeping widescreen shots at a reasonable size makes your page easier to read on laptops and phones. For annotations, Notion doesn't draw on images directly, so we'll use an external tool. On a Mac, open the screenshot in Preview to add arrows, shapes, or text. On Windows, use the snipping tool to mark it up. When you're done, save your changes. Then come back to Notion and either upload the annotated file as a new image or replace the existing one by removing it and adding the updated version. This keeps your notes clean while still showing exactly what you want to highlight. If you want to keep both versions for reference, add the annotated image below the original so comparisons are clear. And that's how to take and annotate screenshots in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.